Alright, so we'll show you how to remove this headlight. So first, there is a bolt right inside. You need to get that bolt. I think that's a 10. Then I'll show you where else you should go. So you would have to pull the grill also. There's a little groove that you should spin to unlock a clip inside on both sides. So when you unlock that clip, you will yank this out. Okay, so you should also release these clips. By pressing the lower section so it can come through. So we remove the grill, and you will remove this bolt, this one, and also this one. So to remove the headlight, there's a clip right here. You would need to pry it out a bit, and then the light will free up a bit. Put it from that side, then tilt the light over, and that's how you get the light to be removed.